Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is Zahir Hussain, and today in this video I'm going to tell you that the Excel has some of the function not installed in it, like some of function are installed in it but not installed in a sheet. So here to go, some of the function like regression, solver, and VBA. So these three or the four function over there. So I am going to tell you how you have to add these function in your Excel. So first you have to open a file, then you have to move to the file option over here. You can see a file option, select this file option, then move to the at the end of this top, oh sorry, the bottom one. Here have an options, there have an option of options. You have to select this one. Here you go, you would have uh, left one side, you have see over and add ins. So you select this add ins. So after selecting, you will got a file over here. So here you go, it's also tell you like there are some function like Tool Pak, VBA, some other function over here. So solver add-in also over there, and some other function like regression over there. So you have to go this option go. After adding, you have to go select this go option. So here you go select, and you have four option over here. So here you go first Tool Pak, so analysis tool Pak, this is for regression and correlation. So you have to select this one. Then I have for the VBA Tool Pak, so this is for the VBA. So I select this VBA. Then I want to install solver add-in, so I select the solver. So after this, you have to okay it. So wait just few seconds. So you can see, you will go to the data file. Here you go, you can see a solver option is over here and data analysis over here. So this data analysis for the regression one, and this solver is for the linear programming. And you can also have VBA also installed in it. Okay, so this is all in this video. Thank you for watching this.